What's up you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to just swatch some of my favorite new lipsticks. So these are some new lip products that I have tried. I'm going to show you. These are amazing. We have the Swiss Beauty liner also, that is so cute. So we have so many of the new lip products that I have tried, and I'm going to give you a mini review about them also. Basically it's a swatch party of the new lip products that I have tried. So if you're new to this channel, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, hair care. So anything of that sort interests you, please consider subscribing, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families. Now without further ado, let's get started. The first one is this is the beautiful NY gloss. I'm obsessed. I have done a dedicated video on that also. These are so good. So this is the shade Caramel Cashew. It is so cute. These are not highly pigmented, but this has some color. This is not highly shine, but it has the shine. So yeah, that's the finish. Yeah, absolutely love them. These are very lightweight, very good formula, and just really good. I'm so impressed by this launch. So this is the first. Next is this shade. This is the shade Peach Play, and it is very pretty peach shade. And this is the shade I wore even on my birthday. I love it. And yeah, just with a lip liner and this lip glosses look amazing. Especially this shade look amazing with lip liner on me because it's a peach shade. It's a straight peach shade, so I think it looks good with a lip liner. This is without any lip liner. Next are these Maybelline lipsticks. So these are the reformulated ones. So I have this shade. This is the peach, rosy peach. So that's the shade. It's a very pretty blue base pink. So yeah, this looks good with lip liner on me, to be honest. I'm going to swatch it without lip liner, of course. Oh my god, it is complementing the eye look so much. So I have this pinky matte look, and this lipstick is complementing it so much. So yeah, I like it. And yeah, these new Maybelline lipstick are not that pigmented like previous creamy matte. So this is the one swipe. I hope you can see the difference. So yeah, these are decently pigmented, and these are amazing blushes. As a cream blushes, these look so, especially this shade also looks so good as a blush. And yeah, these are not highly pigmented like the previous creamy matte, but these are amazing. I love them. So yeah, so there is a formulation difference, plus this has new shade. So this is the new shade Rosy Peach, and this is how it looks. Okay, so next are these NY liquid lipsticks. So I'm going to swatch one by one. So this is their liquid lipstick, and this says hydrating liquid lipstick. So I'm going to swatch this shade. So this is the shade Cranky Yankee. It's a very unique shade. So this is the shade Cranky Yankee. It's a very pretty bright red, and I just love it. This with no eye makeup or a little bit of brown, just this shade itself is the showstopper. I think it is very pretty. This shade is very unique, at least to me, and I love it. It gives me Whitney Hedrick vibes. She loves applying such bright reds, and it is very pretty. Okay, so for comparison, after using a micellar water, you can see there is a slight tinge. We can say even not a stain, a slight tinge, just a little bit. So next is this NY Bay liquid lipstick. So you can see this has this beautiful cap, so it looks very pretty. So this is the old one. This is their new Shakti collection, a collab with Shakti, of course. So you can see the difference of red. So this red is very bright, vivid red, and this red we can say is very like typical red. I'm so bad at describing, but you can see this is the bright red, this is not that bright. So yeah, and it looks a slight peachy also on bottle. So yeah, it's a very unique red, I would say. So this is the shade Sexy Salsa. So that's the shade Sexy Salsa. So I think this was collaboration with Shakti. That's why these are like such names. So I'm going to swatch this, and there is a formula difference. I'm going to tell you. So yeah, this is the shade Sexy Salsa, and you can see the difference between the shade. This is not that bright red, but this is a very pretty red. So let's just talk about the formula. It is not that lightweight. That liquid lipstick by NYB is really lightweight. This is slightly, we can say, on the moussey texture, and not that much, but it is slightly on the moussey texture, and it is hydrating, I would say. Because of that, it's not that lightweight, it's not heavy or anything, but there is a difference. The formula, if I have to compare the two liquid lipstick, this is very lightweight and slightly drying. This is not that lightweight, and it is not at all drying, so yeah, it does not even feels like a liquid lipstick, to be honest. So that's the formula difference. I think I like both of the formulas. Yep. Even somebody who has dry lips, I think both of the formulas are really good. And the shade, yeah, so gorgeous shade range. And I don't know how these retails for. These one were 200, so I have to check the price. I will definitely mention everything as usual here. This is the shade Sexy Salsa. Last, I'm going to swatch this lip liner. So this is the Swiss Beauty lip liner that I have tried. I have honestly bought so many new lip liners. I have to test them out slowly, and slowly I'm testing them out. So this is the Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner, and this is the shade Cherry Brown. It is a very pretty cherry brown lip liner, and that's the shade. So gorgeous. So I'm going to just quickly show you. So this is the cherry brown shade. Amazing. It looks so stunning. You can obviously use these lip liner as lipstick. With any lip liner you can do that. And this is a very pretty cherry brown shade, and I think it is stunning. And I use lip liner with all of my lipstick, all of my lip glosses. So lip liners, I'm lately enjoying applying so much of lip liner. And this is as it says, a matte lip liner. That's that. And the formula is very good, I would say, as a lip liner, since it is on that waxy, almost waxy side. It is not that hydrating, and yeah, not that transfer proof also. Amazing. Not transferring at all. This is the old lip stain. Wow, not even transferring that much. So yeah, this works amazing as a lip liner, and the formula is very good. Not that creamy, it's perfect, slightly on the waxier side, so it works amazingly as a lip liner. And yeah, how much? Oh my god, this retails for just 49 rupees. Amazing. And you get 1.8 grams of product. So yeah, it's not that small also. Wow, I was not expecting this to be this inexpensive. Just 49 rupees. Oh my god, I think it is a must have. It is so good. I really like the formula, the shade. I have bunch of them. I have so many of these now. I'm going to definitely swatch maybe all of my lip liners, but as of now I have tried this one. Amazing. I'm so obsessed. So that's pretty much it for this. If you ask which is my favorite lipstick or lip product that I have tried, from the new launches, NYB liquid NYB glosses, amazing. I have 3 shades and I want to buy more. So yeah, I have these 3 shades, and it's a very nude one. I have used this one also today in a different video. I wanted to say that these lip glosses are amazing, and I just line my lips with my nude lip liner and use these glosses. These are amazing, and all the other lipstick that I tried recently were also really amazing. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, and I thought I would give you my mini review about these. I'm going to swatch these, so I thought let's just give my mini review also about these new lip products that I have tried. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.